see an assassination behind it. They got darkness mostly on that, guys. Right now!
If they found Lex, can they find the rest of us too?
Control this whole time. Please, leave us alone! Get out of there right now!
I can hear you. Are you still
I
here?
can see you.
Good day everyone, and today we are going to review a film titled Unfriended Dark Web, directed by Steven Susko, and the main character is Matthias with his girlfriend named Amaya, together with his friend Damon, AJ, Lex, Nari, and Serena. This film is shown through a computer screen, video calls, chats, and social media, as if it's like you belong to the calls happenings at the start. This story starts simple. Matthias finds a laptop that doesn't belong to him and decided to use it, but when he checks the files, he discovers creepy videos and hidden folders. Soon, he finds out that the laptop actually belongs to a hacker from the dark web. From there, what should have been a normal kidnap turns into a dangerous situation as a group of hackers called the Circles starts targeting him and his friends. Shows several ICT trends that are very realistic. It highlights online communication through video calls, group chats, social media, and even screen sharing. It also shows password security and the use of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which hackers use to hide their tracks. The biggest trend is the dark web, the hidden part of the internet where illegal activities happen. The film shows how powerful technology is, but also how dangerous it can be when used by the wrong people. The movie also shows several internet threats that we should be aware of. There's hacking, where the hackers can access cameras, files, and even messages without our permission. There's privacy invasion, swatting, and even identity theft or blackmail. Another important threat shown is social engineering, which has happened when someone tricks or manipulates you online to get your personal information or make you do something risky. This shows that internet threats aren't just about hacking. Even small mistakes online can lead to serious problems. There are a lot of lessons we can learn or I can learn from this film. First, never use a device that isn't yours because you don't know what's inside. Second, protect your personal information because if someone gets it, they can control or manipulate you. Third, think carefully before sharing anything online because even small details can be used against you. The film reminds us that the internet is not always safe, so we need to stay alert and smart online. As a quick reminder, not everything you see online is true, and not everyone online has good intentions. We should always be careful and responsible when using technology.